Introducing the EVO S134 wall assembly from Carter Architectural Panels, Inc., the new benchmark in fire safety and energy efficiency. Engineered to exceed the stringent requirements of CAN ULC S134, the EVO S134 combines cutting-edge materials and innovative design to deliver unmatched performance. At its core is Etalbond 4mm FR aluminum composite material, renowned for exceptional fire resistance and durability. Paired with Johns Manville Cladstone 45 mineral wool insulation, the assembly ensures superior thermal performance and fire protection. With the addition of the KOA thermal clip, the EVO S134 also meets ASHRAE 90.1 compliance, minimizing thermal bridging and maximizing energy efficiency. The result? A high-performance wall assembly that's safe, energy efficient, and built to last. Choose the EVO S134 for your next project and experience the perfect balance of safety, sustainability, and design flexibility. Carter Panels, changing the standard by design.